A very warm and pleasant good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health and your family too. And I also hope that you are helping your parents too. Helping in what sense? By helping your mother in household work, by watching the school videos regularly, and completing your work on time. Okay, I know you are very good students, sincere students. So don't waste this time. Okay, we, the team of St. Kabir Public School, doesn't want that your studies should be affected. So for that, we need your cooperation. If you people are going to cooperate with us, we can achieve definitely a successful academic session this year, right? So if in any subject, if you have a doubt, you are free to ask any time, but don't neglect studies these days, as it is very important phase of your life. And if you are not going to, if you are not go through the important concept that we are teaching you through online classes, it will affect your studies also. As like I said, we are here to help you. We don't want to affect your studies, okay? And we need your cooperation. So I hope you all are listening and be sincere about your studies, okay? So let's start today's class. Today we are going to start articles, a new topic from grammar, and this topic is very much familiar to you all, as you had done this topic from the first class, right? And these are called as articles. Articles are basically used as an adjective. They are like an adjective. They are used before the noun to clarify the noun. Now, what is noun? Tell me, as you all know, name of a person, place, animal, or thing is a noun. Okay, so let's start the topic. So, as I told you, a, an, and the are the articles. A and an are the indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. Okay. So, the is used for a particular person, place, animal, or thing. When we are referring to a particular person, place, animal, or thing, we use definite article. Definite means when we are sure about something, when we are talking about particular or specific person, place, or animal, right? And a and an, as they are indefinite articles, they are used to modify non-specific and non-specific or non-particular nouns. Okay, so the is a definite article and a and an is a indefinite article. The is used for a particular person, place, animal, or thing, and a and an, they are used for non-particular nouns. Okay, so I told you we use these articles before the nouns that we want to introduce. And nouns are the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, as you know, we are having 26 alphabets, right? 26 alphabets 26 alphabets, right? So out of 26 alphabets, we these alphabets are divided into two categories, consonants and vowels. Now we are talking about indefinite article, that is a and an. Now here we are going to discuss where the a is used and where an is used. Now, an is used with the words beginning with vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. And a is used before beginning with a consonant sound, that rest of the alphabets are the consonants. Okay, so a is used before the words that are starting with consonant sound. For example, a boy, a bird. B is a consonant. So, with the consonant, we are going to use a. Second condition is before a singular noun beginning. For example, a book, a school, a dog. So first condition is a is used with the words beginning with consonant sound and second with before a singular noun. A book, a school, a dog. And third, it is also used even before vowel letters which don't have a vowel sound, right, like European, unit, union. They are starting with a vowel letter, but their vowel sound is not there. They are starting it like YOU. Okay, so if its vowel sound is not there, so here also we are going to use indefinite article, that is a. Okay, a European, a unit, a union. Okay, some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. Here also we use a before these words too. A university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note.